Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English, and today we are going to learn about the letter J and its sound. So this is the letter J and its sound is J. And now let's say the sound J 10 times. J, 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 J. Okay, now let's say some words that starts with J, which is having the sound J. So the first word is jam. J, J, jam. The second word is jug. J, J, jug. The third word is jeans. J, J, jeans. The fourth word is joker. J, J, joker. The fifth word is jog. J, J, jog. The sixth word is jeep. J, J, jeep. The seventh word is jet. J, J, jet. The eighth word is juice. J, J, juice. And now let's add J to the words. So without J and without the sound J, this word is jellyfish. And when we add J to it, it becomes jellyfish. Yay! Now what's next? Ooh, it's an jacket. What's an jacket? Let's add J to it and it will become jacket. Okay, it's a jacket. Next is ump. It seems like jump. It's jump. Next is uggle. What's uggle? If we add J to it, it becomes juggle. Okay, all the three men are doing juggling. Let's juggle the balls. And the next is udo. Udo. Okay, now just add J to it and it will become judo. 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 Wow, that was nice. Today I have learnt many J sound words, and now I will draw these beautiful pictures, and while drawing the pictures I'll practice saying the sound J. J. Wow. Okay kids, I hope you too learned so many J sound words today, and I hope you will be drawing these two pictures and will be practicing J sound yourself also. So happy learning. Bye bye, and we'll meet again in another video.